Ang last na naman ito, tingnan ako. Okay.
Yan. Guni.
Juliet, bali, ang last na naman ito, ito. You can, the positive, I mean, the positive and the negative spirit is like, you guys can change things. So, lahat kayo, so mga baka dahil, pwede yung lang na routine. Or pwede mag-asa sa inyo kung ano. Ay, lalaki ka. Ito, lalaki ka. Yes, ma'am. Last. This is the last. Ganun yung validation of state. You can help you, the younger generations, help things. Balik mo isa-isa mo lagi ko dito. Pagduhan mo talaga. Hey, let's change things. Meron ka na, dalawang POV or figure lang. Sa front. Maganda talaga. Wait lang, wait. Ito sa mga big vacuum ay.
Wala ka, di ba meron ka?
Hindi guys, kasi di ba, hindi guys, hindi ko na. Di ba magsabi ako, ay, okay guys, let's watch our video. Mag-aral ako.
Sadal ako bro.
5. Dila na. Dili ang 5. Tapos pagka 4, pala siya ako. Looking back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, pressure lang. Wala din. Pero kailangan kasi na mag-aral ko sa TV. Oo.
Mahulog lang kasi iiway.
Ulo na naman sa likod ko. Buwak-buwak na yun. Kasi ang dami pa.
Ano tayo? 4K tapos 60 FPS. Gusto rin sila. Karaniwan na magbago.
Saan ko siya? Sa Telegram? Ha? Sino ang video? Dito, Andre? Good morning, class. Morning, ma'am. Okay. So, for today's lesson, we will... Wala ko dala. Oo. Pwede, what if ano na kayo? Gusto na kayo. Diyan. Hindi ko siya ano mo. Kita ko sa movie. For today's discussion, let us watch a silly video. Let us watch a video. Are you all ready? Yes. What are your goals? Kailan ako ba yun? Ball, ball. Ready? Dito ako sa dako-dako ng kuwan yung mga wait lang, nag-walk-walk ko din ako sa... Ano ko ba eh? Ikaw ako ba? Wala na ako sa video. Wait, di ba bayad ka sa video? Sasabit sa video. Ikaw yung bitan mo sa perfect! Tama? Ano lang? Okay. Another video. Igan dito sa dos. Yun na na. Mag-enter yung candidate siya. Wait lang. Ano ka? Andre, dito mo lang pala. Dito mo lang. Ganyan ko. Ikaw na lang yan. There. Yes.
Gusto ako bilis mo ba? Bilis mo drama ba? Pero kung mag-rolling on ba?
Kaya naman, dalawang beses natin. Ano na lang guys, dalawang beses natin yun. May isa i-video natin, tapos may isang ilagay na lang na sa harapan. No? Wait, pero ano na kayo dyan? Hindi ko natin ko lang.
Tapos pasok ka ulit ah.
Wait.
Ang pinag-isa.
Video.
Ikaw, bro. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Pasok.
Balik.
Kailangan natin.
Close ako na ko eh. Sorry, magkasal.
3, 2, 1. Atap.
Okay, good morning class.
Pasok ulit. Tapos ulit. Tapos pasok.
Remove ko dito. Ito na.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Take your seat. Ito na dito. Take your seat.
Just 3. Atap. Sama ko talaga yung ano natin.
Pangit ka nga, wala naman trauma.
Atap.
Good morning, class.
Good
morning, ma'am. Okay, let me take your seat. So for today's discussion, we are going to watch a video about climate change. Are you all ready? Yes! Okay. Okay, last scene na tayo, last scene. Ang last scene natin is yung, what's your last of that chapter? What? What did you saw? The video. Wala na. Okay, after
Intro na tayo.
intro yun, tapos after 1, 2, 3, 4 countdown, yung video na natin,
Video talaga yung nag-aano.
nag-aabot na tayo. So, eto, last. What you just saw is real. What you just saw is real.
And then, nakasunod ka lang sa kanya. The ice is not. Nakasunod ka lang.
Yes, it is caused by us. No?
Oh, sabi?
Video ko din yan. Tapos, yun na lang. Pero naman doon kay Julieta.
Hindi yan. Ito yung ano to. Ito yung sasabihin.
Sabi na ako,
Yung white dress is so hot.
Hindi ako what you just saw is real. This is what you just saw is real. This is what's happened. This is what's
Into our planet.
Then it is
And it's getting worse.
Are you ready? What you just saw is real. This is what's happening to our planet. And it is very sad to know. And it is still getting worse every day.
The ice is melting.
Hindi na.
May rubrics guys. May rubrics parang dapat itong ako, mabilis ako mag-practice pero yung mga excellent, hindi na natin. May rubrics is for complete, there's a voice. I'll back that.
So, original tayo. Present ko na lang sa destruction ng mga example ng mga kasimama. Ay, ikaw na-realize na yung mga rates about yung mga pagpuntaas ng
Ayos
ng video
na
para sa information. What you just saw is real. This is what's happening to our planet. And it is getting worse day by day.
I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is melting. I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is melting. So fast.
Just English.
So fast. Pagpapilis ako. Wait, no. I didn't know it was that bad. But yung mga bus.
Mga baha.
hurting everyone.
That is the big question. But here's the thing.
English to.
Ever since yung nangyari yung declarador na yan, yung alam mo yun, di ba yung headaches?
But here's the good news. What you just saw is real. This is what's happening to our planet. It's getting worse day by day.
I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is melting so fast.
The floods. People are losing their homes.
It's because of climate change, diba?
Yes, you're right. It is because of climate change. And it is caused by us, the people. Burning fossil fuels, burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and polluting the air.
But why are we still doing it? It's hurting everyone.
If it's hurting everything.
Maybe it's hurting everyone.
Ano ba yung tatanong sa
Ano? Speaking that?
Ano sabi mo? Sa'yo? Ikaw pa next, di ba? That is the big question. But here's the good news, class. It's you, future generation. Because you and the future generation can do something about it, can change things. Can do something about it. Because you can help change this. Because you and the future generation can help change things.
Then that's
Doon ang video sa akin, the conversation.
Kung sabi din, let's do something. You can't just sit here. Tatayo ko. Oo. Then let's do
Ikaw,
something. You
ikaw.
can't just sit here.
Yun ang last, tapos bali determined is na yun do something.
Exactly.
Ayun, yun na sa'yo. Bali, like,
Baba! Parang picture kayo dun. Picture. Kay Sir Ganda. Picture na lang.
andyan sa
Ano
baba?
siya na lang?
Andyan sa baba?
Yan na lang, para naman kinig.
Push mo na lang.
Sige lang. Sige lang.
Hindi, tuloy ko sila. Hindi na. Akala ko mabay. Bakit? Yan. Ang bigat naman na yung ano mo, yung slide mo. Yung ano mo. Yung
Gamitin talaga yung ulit mo.
i-edit lang. O, gamol. Ikaw ang salita. Tapos tayo yung bakit. Tapos tayo yung salita. Exam na naman. Ikaw ang salita. Ano na yan? Sa lightning. Lightning. Try mo yan, no? Ako naman yung birthday ko yan. Minumulot lang tayo dito. Ganda.
What's happening to our
No. Sige. Na nila.
Watch yourself.
Damdamdamin ko.
What gives us the soft glasses? This is what's happening. Watch the soft glasses. This is what's happening to our planet. And it's getting worse.
I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is
Mom,
not
what's happening?
Mom, I didn't know it was that bad.
Okay na.
The ice is melting so fast.
Tapos.
Sabi naman ko sabi. Sabi naman.
Sama mo na.
And I
That is crossed.
Para hindi na ako mag-edit.
Watch the soft glass. It is happening to our planet. And it is getting worse day by day.
Mom, I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is melting so fast.
And their homes. And their plans pala. And those plans pala.
Hindi dapat nag-transition pa yung case na. Kasi
Ayan na.
Tapos ikaw mag-isip.
Tapos post mo. Delay ka. Kaya dali.
Mamaya naman dyan, dalawa nga ang theory.
Parang yun. yung suot mo daw.
Ano na? Dito na lang. Dito na lang.
Kuha ka lang ng chair.
Dito na lang. Dito na lang.
Hindi siya daw huwag doon ilagay. Yung namatay yung TV. Hindi yan yung laro.
Bless the Lord.
Tingnan ko naman ang video ba?
Hindi yung brain. Yung rice lahat.
Tuloy-tuloy yan.
Sige na ba? 1, 2, 3.
What you just saw is real. It is happening now to our planet. And it is getting worse day by day.
Mom, I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is melting so fast.
Yes, fast. And it is caused by climate change. Cutting down trees, burning fossil fuels, and polluting our air.
Mom, why are we still doing it when it's hurting everything?
Right? That is a big question. But here's the good news, guys. Because you, in the future generation, can do something about it.
Then let's do something. We can't just sit here.
Learning is the first step.
Okay.
Sila? Ayun na. Ayun ang phone.
Okay, kapatid.
Ito mo na lang. Wala nila may ilang magsasasin.
Ilagay niyo sa record mamaya. Ano, iPad?
Hindi, para ano ba? Hindi na ngayon mag... Okay? Yung resolution na ng video.
Tignan mo lang.
Lapit ang mga ito. What? Ang Pinoon, iibig mo to. Sabi ko lang nila.
Okay, pwede. Tatawag ko pa.
Laki niya! Hindi.
Last one.
Kaya tumapit ka sa atin.
Date na ka? Guys. Kasi dito. Yung mga ghost. Ghost? Makita na ako. May
Ano, they escaped from the- It's because of climate change, diba?
Those floods.
Dapat na yan. Finish. Lumapit ka na sa-
What you just saw is real. This is what's happening to our planet. And it is getting worse day by day.
I didn't know it was that bad. The ice is melting so fast.
And those floods. People are losing their homes.
It's because of climate change, right?
Yes, it is caused by us. Burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, polluting the air.
But why we are still doing it? It's hurting everything.
Wait lang, ikaw siguro kung YouTube.
Ha? Ay, makita.
Wala?
Ano?
Ay, 0.5 ko na lang ito.
Hindi mo, ano yung parang yan na ano?
Ay, nizoomin ko lang. 0.5 is nizoomin.
Ano yung sila?
Tama ko lang.
those buds. People are losing their homes.
It's because of climate change, right?
Yes, it is caused by us cutting down forests, burning fossil fuels, and
But Mom, why are we still doing it if it's hurting everything?
that's the big question, class. But first, the good news about it is you, future generation.
Saan natin? Saan natin? Ini?
Let's do something.
Oh, let's do something! Oh, parang like, dito na lang, let's do something. Tapos magano, yes, let's do something. Like, gusto mo nga yung sa kanilin. Ganyan. There you go. Mas, one.
Ikaw mo sabi yan?
Yes. Ito tayo din yung saan nakakaisip tayo. Tapos magsalita sila.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, let's do something.
Yes.
You can't just sit here.
Yes. Di ba tumayo ka na nung ako nasabi?
Ayaw, parang
Ay, ikaw ang mag-isa na lang.
sige.
Ulit mo na.
Then tayo, basa. Basa. Then, then magtayo. Yung natin. Patay ako natin.
1, 2. May lang. 1, 2, 3.
Then let's do something. We can't just sit here.
Let's do something. Go.
Okay na to. Pero tayo na nakakita.
Habang nakakanta tayo, pwede rin may pictures or may video na ano naka-flat.
Parang jingle. Jingle ba?
Hindi ako
Yung ano, isip ba?
wala akong
Ay, hindi ko na
Ayun, pala yung ano.
Yeah.
Halika. Thank you.
Ang kinabigla na wala. Wala ko ba? Saan? Tingnan mo ano ito. Baka tinabog ko kung saan. Ano naman yan? Yan.
Andre, ikaw.
Uy, nakasaksak na yung daan ng TV? Pag ayos ng cheers, please.
Ano na lang? Ready?